What is up there, everybody? Citrus Aviation here for yet another video. And today, I want to thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers. The big 5K is here. So, today I'm recording this on Wednesday, right after the JetBooks interview was posted. Y'all really seem to love that video, and I'm so glad that y'all enjoyed it. And thank y'all so much for 5,000 subscribers. Every single one of you that are subscribed, I really appreciate it. And I am very glad to be making this aviation content, and that 5,000 of you enjoyed it enough to hit that red sub button. So I really appreciate it. I don't think it's red anymore. Is it still red? Someone tell me. I heard that they changed the color, but it turns white when you subscribe. That's the color you want it to be. Turn white, and you want to press that little bell button there that has a little like bing, bing. You know, when you press it, it's pretty cool, and it allows you to get notified whenever I post a new video. So that's another way to keep up the content. But yeah, 5,000 subscribers, it's really awesome. One of the things that this video is for you to post your Q&A submissions. So go down in the comments down below, post your Q&A submissions, and I'll answer those questions down there. Any aviation question is allowed. You can ask any aviation question you want to down there. Plus, I might answer a few personal questions if I feel comfortable with them. Keep in mind, I can deny any question I want to, so don't make it anything too weird. But yeah, feel free to ask some questions. I am looking to maybe do a podcast at some point, like a Citrus So podcast or something, because there's fun things I like to talk about, not just aviation related, but just like things that would make for a good show that would be not necessarily part of my scheduled content. So like I could talk about trips I'm going on, maybe that I don't make into a video. I could talk about other things, like I'm into a bunch of things, not just aviation related. But I could be like, hey, this is something interesting going on. I've gotten into, you know, a little bit of fashion and style, trying to build up some of these chunky boys, trying to get, you know, doing workouts and getting more physically fit. It's another thing I'm doing. I've gotten into fragrances. Here, this is Viktor & Rolf's Spice Bomb Infrared. It is one of my personal favorites. I put on today just for this video. Smells so good. The opening is really good on it. But there's a lot of things I'm into. I'm also shopping for a new car. That could make for an interesting podcast of what cars I'm currently shopping for. I'm hoping to buy it next summer. So I'm in the study phase of that right now, where I'm trying out vehicles to see which one I like the most, and then gonna wait for the right spec to come along at the right price and buy that one. But things like that, let me know if you're interested in like a Citrus podcast. I don't know how often it end up being, but let me know if you're interested in that, and that's something I could end up producing as another video of content for it. But 5,000 subscribers, big things have happened. The JetBooks interview was something that I've been planning for about the last 6 months. It's been in the works for quite a while, and that was a big deal. Very happy that I could get someone on that has that large of an audience and a channel. And I have more interviews planned. So more milestones will bring on more interviews. I would love to someday do Sam Chu. Maybe it'll happen. We'll see. I currently do have plans to interview Todd Models at Gemini Jets. So that'll be a future milestone video. So stay tuned for that one. You wanna see the channel get more milestones, because then you get more of these very unique interviews. The JetBooks one has been very well received so far, and I was very glad to be able to do it with him. He's a fantastic guy, makes amazing trip reports and travel videos. So go check that video out. A lot of you already have, so it seems that these interviews are quite popular and want to do more of them. As well as doing more with some of your favorite aviation and model aviation creators. So let me know if there's someone you want me to interview who I haven't done yet. You can see the playlist. It's on my playlist section of all the people I've done so far. JetBooks is the biggest channel I've done, but another big one I did was HD Melbourne Aviation. I've done a bunch of the creators here in this model aviation space as well. Red River Aviation I did, AS Aviation, Gemini Jets 333. That guy came on for an interview. Yeah, the one who hasn't made a video in ages. He did an interview with me, so that was really fun to do. This content form really does allow a ton of people to come on who otherwise may or may not be interested in doing a video with me, because it's a way that you all get to know the creator better and that sort of thing. So that's more of the type of content I want to do, as well as the model airport videos are going to continue, as well as doing the the individual videos on specific models, those have done really, really well. I'll just be like, here's this model, and I just talk about it in a video. You all seem to really enjoy that, and those are very YouTube-friendly content in terms of the kind of videos that YouTube's going to promote to the algorithm. So I keep doing those, but always looking for new content. Trip reports are becoming a thing. The Polaris review should be coming out very soon at the time of recording this. It may already be out when I'm posting this video. If not, it'll be out very shortly thereafter. But the Q&A submission is what this video is for. Have some other plans as well in terms of my aviation career. I want to get back into doing more aviation career focused videos. So some dispatch videos will be coming, as well as some more rant videos. And yeah, there's going to be some exciting things also happening in my personal career growth here in the near future as well. So tons of stuff going in my life right now. It's so fantastic that we reached 5,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it. My life's moving forward at a fairly fast pace right now. I mean, there's a ton of stuff that's going on. Obviously, a lot of it I don't want to necessarily talk about because it's, personal stuff. But there's a lot of stuff happening, and so making these videos is something that I really, really enjoy as a passion. I try and do 3 videos a week. That doesn't always happen, as you all have observed, but I am starting to get a bit more consistent with it. So I really am happy about that. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for 5,000 subscribers. I know some people have asked, how do you get a shout out? Because I don't do shout outs that often. Pretty simple. Put a good question in the comments, and as part of me answering your question, you get a shout out. So that's how you can do it. Pretty simple. So that's it for this video. Thank you all so much again. I keep saying thank yous for 5,000 subscribers. This feels amazing, by the way. 5K subs is just so awesome, and I appreciate every single one of you that did subscribe. So there's going to be more content coming forward, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where this channel goes. I think this channel is going places. So that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless you.